Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. It's me Mahek and I hope you guys are doing extremely well. It's finally the weekend today and I'm gonna be filming a weekend in my life. Honestly, for this weekend I don't have any such great or extraordinary plans. Just made myself some coffee and I'm gonna be sipping on this while taking the morning very slow, because usually workday mornings are like so fast and so quick, and yeah, I really get no time to just sit down, relax and reflect. So I prefer taking weekend mornings very slow, and I'm just gonna be sitting here sipping on the coffee and maybe think about what I need to do this weekend. It's a kind of self-care day today. I'm going to be applying oil in my hair right now, so I have two of my oils over here. So this is the almond oil and this is some authentic homemade oil which my mom always gets. I'm going to be mixing both of these oils to oil my hair now. I look like such a clean girl after getting the oil in my hair. Also today I need to get my upper lips done. Not sure if you can see it on the camera, but it has grown wildly. So I usually use this flamingo wax kit that you see right over here to get it done. Of course there aren't any beauty parlor salons here. There are, but I don't usually go there to get this done, because I believe that this is something that can be done and is manageable at home. It's not a lot, but definitely a very painful process. That's painful. Okay, so got done with it, and the little trick over here is to put your strip on one side and pull it on the opposite side. So that's the little trick and hack which makes the process very easy, smooth, but not painless. But it is what it is. And now I do have this post-wax cloth that I usually apply on. This just makes the itchiness that you might have a little lesser. And you now might see this portion red throughout the entire video, but it's gonna stay like this for the next couple of hours at least. Just got a hair wash, a very relaxing bath, and a blowout to my hair as well. I'm in love with how my hair is looking right now, honestly, and yeah, I just crave for these kind of slow mornings where I can take it really slow and do some self-care and pamper myself, because that's important at the same time.
A few moments later.
Finally done cooking, and for lunch today I made sabzi and gonna be having it with roti. So here it is. So I made some dum aloo. Honestly, it was my first time trying it, and then I have some rotis as well. Super hungry right now, cannot wait to eat it. Let's do a quick taste test. This is literally so damn good. Like, honestly, I don't know sometimes how do I even manage to cook this good. You might be thinking I always keep on saying it's so good, but Trust me, it is so damn good, and I feel self-validation is the best kind of validation you need. Indian cooking does take a little bit more time to cook, but I feel in the end it's all worth it.
The next day.
It's the next day, which means it's Sunday today, and today earlier in the morning I was shooting another video for my YouTube channel, which of course will be uploaded before this video comes out, so I'll be leaving a tag to it over here so you can go watch it. Usually it's during the weekends that I get to like shoot a lot of content and also edit that. So yeah, I was doing that in the morning, and right now I just came outside to take some break. It's just good to come outside and explore every once in a while. We are in March already and it's still so cold. Honestly, it's not very cold, but the wind, it kind of makes you feel colder. I just grabbed a hot chocolate from this very famous place called Mahek Parekh. It's a perfect hot chocolate weather right now. Hot chocolate is so damn good, and I don't know why I didn't try it till now. Finally back in the car, and I don't know why, like, we are already in March, but still the cold is something else here in Boston, at least. Especially like when you are walking in the city and when the wind blows to your face, it's a different hit. Anyways, I'm at least glad that the days are now way longer because of the daylight saving. So earlier it used to get dark by 4:35, and now at least we have like daylight till 6:30. It also means that we aren't that far away from summer and good warm summer days. I'm trying to find places to grab dinner for. Honestly, the food scenes here in Boston, they aren't very great. Like, I expected it to be better, but it's not the best, especially for a vegetarian. It's like a big time task. We only have like these few couple of selected restaurant or places where we end up going. So if you are somebody who is watching this video from Boston and know any good places to eat, then do let me know, and I'd love to try some new places.
2 hours later.
We're back home and it's time for some nighttime skincare routine. I always usually start off with cleaning my face with this micellar water. So I just take a few drops of this cleansing water into this really soft towel, and yeah, that's essentially what I do to clean my face. I'm gonna be ending this video right over here. Honestly, it was so much fun filming a weekend in my life after so long. I think I should do this more often. Literally have one more thing left before I sleep and call it a night, which is folding my laundry. Like, I don't know what I was thinking about, but I kept it for the very last minute, and I'm just gonna try to do it as soon as possible because I'm just so sleepy now. But I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, then you know the drill. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel if you are new here, or if you haven't already, because that always means a lot. As always, stay happy, be kind and keep spreading love, and I'll see you in the next one.